Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're on location in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're at Hobby Island, one of the exclusive hobby stores in the area. Let's go inside and take a look.
Yeah, hi, this is Hobby Island. Mike, worker here. We've been in business now 2 months. We got a little bit of supply of everything. Anybody want to come in and check us out? We're at 5075 Arville Street, corner of Arville and Reno in Las Vegas, Nevada. Anything else?
Phone number. What's your phone number?
Oh, our phone number is 702-444-7004. And you can also follow us on Instagram at Hobby Island 702.
All right.
Thank you, Mike.
Hey, we're back from the store. Let's take a closer look at what we bought. Kind of loaded up. Got this really cool livestock trailer. This is pretty neat kit. I haven't had one of these before, but it'd be pretty neat to weather that all up and make it look gross like a cow's been in there. This is a pretty neat kit. You get a pretty good price on it too. Let's take a look at the next one. Let's put that here. What else we got in here? We got an American company, Atlantis. This here is the Jungle Gym Camaro. This is a pretty cool kit. Haven't bought an Atlantis kit other than an airplane, so we're going to try out a car kit. That was pretty neat that they had those on stock. What else we got in here? And this Coca-Cola Volkswagen. This is pretty neat. It comes with a bunch of neat decals and looks like a display, cardboard display to put the car on when it's finished. Looks pretty groovy, right there. This is from their 1971 collection, Coca-Cola stuff. It's like a shortened Beetle, that's what it says. Superbug. And I bought a Ford Courier. This is an odd kit. I thought it was pretty neat though. Comes with a camper and a turbo options and some other things. This was pretty cool. Not kind of an unusual kit, I think. But we'll maybe do a video on this because I think this is a pretty cool kit. I saved the oddest one for last. I've never seen anything like this before. This is a Korean kit. I can't read any of it, but I was told it's a Hyundai Pony taxi cab. 70s type model, I don't know. I decoded some of it with my phone, and they said they used them from the 70s to the 80s. And it comes with a figure and a driver. See, none of it's in English. It's an odd kit, but it looked really neat, and they had it there, so I had to have it. As you know, I love taxi cabs. And he had a very large selection of decals. This is a pretty neat one. It's got post office on there and FBI. This is just license plates. That's a pretty cool one. A lot of Gopher Racing decals he had. There's taxi cab decals. What a surprise, right? Here's some ambulance decals. And this one says Wonder Bread, Federal Express, so you know that's old because it doesn't say FedEx, and UPS logos and some post office ones there. Those are pretty neat. And some flyers for local shows they have coming up. They have the Best of the West coming up August 27th of this year. It's a Saturday. And then they got an IPMS show coming up. This is, I don't see a date on this. Oh, this is for their club meeting, second Wednesday of every month. Is what this is for. It's also sponsored by the Vegas Armor Models Preservation Society. So this is pretty cool stuff that he gave me. That was a neat shop. They've just been open. He told us only a couple months, so they're starting out. So if you're in the Las Vegas area, please support this company. All right. Well, this is my haul for my vacation, and I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.